Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a Motorola Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to enable and customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with a quick turning on and off this option. So all we have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and here we have to find proper icon, which is, as you can see, not available here. But no worries, basically if you will start with customization of the mode, it should automatically appear in this section. If you want to start just like I did, all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon in the left corner, and here let's scroll down to find the proper icon, and as you can see in this case, in this device, it is an highlight. So let's tap on it and hold it and drag it to this section. Alright, so now we can simply go back, and basically in order to turn it on, just tap on this icon, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, so it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. Of course, you can turn it off the same way and the screen gets back to its normal state. You can tap on it and hold it and you will be transferred to the options, but let me show you a full path of how to get into the highlight options. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to find the display option and the eye comfort, which is for some reason named as eye comfort here, and a highlight here in this toggle, which is kind of crazy, but okay. Let's turn it on right now. So again, we've got this amber color applied. Here we can change the intensity. Right now it is on the highest level, so it is the most yellow, and by going to the left we can make it cooler, so basically it is not really that visible. There's really little difference between the eye comfort turned on and off. Alright, so we can also schedule that feature, and of course set this intensity just like you want to. I will set the highest option. We can set the schedule, so we can turn it on at custom time, and it simply means that you can pick the start and the end time. It's up to you, or you can pick it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based. The none option means that you will have to manually turn it on and off whenever you want to. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.